Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Google Maps, desktop or mobile, so you can paste coordinates directly. Make sure you know which format you have, decimal versus degrees, because Maps accepts both. Once done, copy the exact string to your clipboard or write it down. Small typos change the location drastically. Don't waste time on settings, focus on the coordinate format. If you're on mobile, also enable location permissions, so Maps positions you relative to the coordinates you enter. Now paste or type the coordinates into the search field. Use a comma to separate latitude and longitude, for example, 37, 4,219, minus 122, 0840. If you have degrees, include degree, minute, second symbols, or equivalent spacing so Maps parses them correctly. Then press Enter or tap Search. Google Maps will drop a pin at that exact point and load place details. Make sure the pin location matches your expectation, because formatting errors shift the point by miles in some cases. Finally, confirm the location by switching to satellite or terrain view so you see landmarks. This helps verify accuracy. If the pin looks off, stop and recheck the format. Missing negative signs or misplaced commas are common errors. Once corrected, use what's here or save to keep the coordinate. One key troubleshooting tip: if Maps won't parse your input, try removing symbols and using plain decimal format like 37, 4,219, minus 122, 0840. That usually resolves parsing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.